There are over 30 million homes in the United States that are not hooked up to a municipal sewer system. Without the availability of a municipal sewer system, these homes have to treat and dispose of their sewage on their own property. The sewage must be treated because raw or untreated sewage is a major cause of public health and environmental concern. The most common method used to treat sewage by homeowners is a standard septic system. A standard septic system has 5 components. Firstly, a sewer pipe carrying both liquid and solid waste from your home to your septic tank. Secondly, a septic tank. This is usually a watertight container typically made of concrete or fiberglass. Thirdly, a pipe carrying treated liquid, commonly called effluent, from the septic tank to your drain field. Fourthly, a drain field, which is used to help distribute the effluent over a wide area. And lastly, the soil in and around your drain field. Some septic tanks have risers and lids fitted to them, as you can see here. This gives direct access to the interior of the septic tank from the surface of the ground and allows for easy location, inspection and pumping of the tank. Your septic system is designed to use the soil and the natural community of microscopic animals or bacteria living in the soil to remove as many of the impurities in the sewage as possible. A standard septic system is anaerobic. There is no air or free oxygen, and only certain bacteria are able to live and grow there. The septic tank is designed to capture and hold organic solids, for example kitchen waste and human waste, and release liquid without any solids in it to the drain fields. Septic tanks can have 1 or more compartments or chambers. The one shown here has 2 chambers, and they are separated by a wall. This wall has a hole in it to allow liquid to pass from the first chamber to the second chamber. As solids enter the first chamber, they settle to the bottom and form sludge. Floatable solids like grease and paper rise to the top of the liquid and form scum. Periodic pumping of these solids is a normal maintenance requirement for a typical septic system. Every 3 to 5 years is the recommended cycle for pumping. Regular pumping of the solids prevents them from leaving the tank and building up in the drain field. Excessive build-up of organic solids in the drain field causes premature drain field failure. The most common designs for drain fields are leach trenches, leach fields, leach beds, chamber systems, mounds, seepage pits and cesspools. The above sketch shows a leach field. Every time you take a shower, do some laundry, wash some dishes, or go to the bathroom, liquid and solid material enters the septic tank. A like amount of effluent leaves the tank and travels to the drain field. In other words, 1 gallon of liquid in equals 1 gallon of liquid going out. When the liquid reaches the drain field, it percolates through the rock and is absorbed by the soil. Even though most of the organic material in the waste is captured in the first chamber of the septic tank, the effluent leaving the tank still contains plenty of impurities in it. Included in this liquid are the anaerobic bacteria living in the septic tank, as well as disease-causing microorganisms. The anaerobic bacteria are the ones that over time cause your drain field to fail. When the anaerobic bacteria reach the soil, they secrete a mucal slime for protection. Over years of using your septic system, this slime begins to build and build until it clogs the soil and liquid will not drain through it. This slime buildup is commonly referred to as biomat and is the most common cause of septic system failure. In fact, 95% of septic systems fail due to biomat clogging in the soil. When liquid cannot be absorbed by the soil at the rate at which it enters the septic system, bad odours often develop. Black, nasty pools of effluent can surface in your yard. You may experience slow or no draining plumbing fixtures with possible overflowing toilets or sewage backing up in your bathtub and or shower. This is typical of septic system failure. Until now, you had really only one option to fix this problem: replacing your drain field. This is a costly expense and a major disruption to your yard. Pumping the septic tank, jetting the leach lines, Adding chemical and biological additives to the system are temporary fixes at best. The only long-term way of restoring your septic system is to change the bacteria community in your septic tank. You need facultative aerobes. Facultative aerobes are microorganisms that live and grow only where free oxygen is available. With the right bacteria community, you can dramatically reduce or remove the amount of organic material leaving the septic tank. As these facultative aerobes arrive at the drain field, they quickly break down the biomat and restore the drain field to full function. Septic Genie was designed to grow huge colonies of facultative aerobes in your septic tank and send them out to your drain field to restore it. With a properly operating Septic Genie in your septic tank, your drain field can't fail again from biomat clogging of the soil. By eliminating the intestinal bacteria that cause the biomat to form, you eliminate the biomat and the soil won't clog. We provide you with the right bacteria community, the Septic Genie to grow them in, and an air pump to give precious air to the bacteria. Septic Genie works 24/7 to safely protect your entire septic system. Once the biomat has been removed, liquid will percolate through the soil again and your drain field will have been restored. Any surfacing sewage will dry out and grass will grow back again. With Septic Genie you benefit in the following ways. It completely restores your existing septic system without digging up your yard and replacing it with a new one. It starts working immediately. You'll start to see the results virtually overnight. It eliminates septic smells and odours so that you never have to smell them again. It's easy to install. There is no big disruption to your household while you do it. It digests all organic material in your septic tank, so you can cut out regular pumping. It's a simple technology. There's only one moving part, so you don't have to worry about it breaking down. It's proven technology. With third-party professional testing, you're not taking any chances. It's environmentally friendly. You'll have peace of mind knowing that you're not polluting the environment. It's easy to maintain. Just one annual checkup is all it needs. It's probably the most cost-effective solution for septic failure available today. And it comes with a performance guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the Septic Genie, and it doesn't do what we said within 6 months of your purchase, just send it back to us and we will give you your money back. No questions asked.